Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to be unboxing my January Sephora Play box. This is the third time I'm trying to film this. It's been a mess. So I put it down yesterday and decided to do it today on Sunday. So third time's a charm. I already know everything that's in the box, and so I have no surprises here, but you guys may have some surprises. First, before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take the time to do so now. It really helps me out in the long run, and I would really appreciate it if you are a viewer of my videos, if you would subscribe. Like I said, it really helps me out, and I really appreciate it. All right, let's go ahead and get right into the Sephora Play box. This month's box is a beautiful 2018, so it's all about 2018. And the bag this month looks like this. It's blue and black and white. They went back to the regular cloth bags, which is okay with me. This one does say 2018 Happy You Year. They always have these weird like puns that I have the hardest time kind of saying. It's just so funny. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the bag. So the first thing in the bag of this month is going to be the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I'm excited for this. I really wanted to purchase this because a lot of people with oily skin say this is really good. So I was going to purchase it, but now that I've got a sample, I don't have to purchase it until I figure out if it's something that's going to work for me. This is just like a liquid primer, and it comes in a little glass bottle. You get just a little sample, but it's supposed to be something that you put on before you put your foundation on. You let it set into your skin, and it's supposed to prolong your foundation. So this, like I said, is one that I'm super excited to try out. The next thing in the bag is from Fresh. This is a toner. This is infused with soothing rose water, hydrates and refreshes the skin. I absolutely love toners. I use a all organic one right now. I've also used the one from Paula's Choice. I like toners. They're really nice. This is just a liquid. This actually will last me probably about a couple of weeks because you don't need to use very much. You basically just like dab it onto a cotton pad and then rub it all over your face after you've cleaned your face off, and it will take any existing oils and dirts off your face or any existing makeup that you have. So I'm always excited to get any kind of toners. I think they work lovely, and Fresh is actually a really nice brand, and I believe that they're mostly organic or something like that, where they don't use a lot of preservatives and stuff in their products. So I'm excited to try this. I like that we got a toner this month. Next here is from Glam Glow. It's a super cleansing cream to foam cleanser. I have tried a few different things, you know, from Glam Glow with my Sephora Play box. Some of them are hit and miss, so I'm excited to see what this one is going to do. Let's see. Looks like there's a lot in here, and it smells like peppermint, so that's kind of interesting. It does have like a gray tint to it, so we'll see what that does, if it foams up or what it does. It says squeeze a generous amount into your hand, add water, and vigorously rub hands together to create a foaming lather. So this is basically a lather. It doesn't look like it when you open it up in the container. It looks like a clay mask. And then it says apply to dry face. Oh, apply to dry face and massage over skin. Rinse clean, AM and PM. So that's really cool. I like the ones that you apply to a dry face because it's just, I don't know what it is, but it's just interesting that they change things up and say don't have your face completely soaking wet. So I'll definitely give this a try, and if you want to know anything about it, I'll put it down in the description later on. If you have any questions about it, just put a question down there and I'll answer you. All right, the next thing in here, which I'm really excited about, is a lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the color Christine. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on so you can see how pretty it is. And I basically right now just have a lip liner on my lips. There we go. So I think that is just like a really pretty color. It's one of the colors that I use a lot in my, you know, daily makeup routine. So I'm really excited to get this. I like the gloss that it has. It has a really pretty shine to it. So yeah, I'm super excited to get that. I'll definitely get a lot of use out of that lip gloss. The next thing we have in here is Clinique's Prep Step eye cream. I love this stuff. I've got this a couple of times in my Sephora Play, and I also got it in a couple of samples when I ordered stuff from Ulta. This stuff is amazing. I'm always happy to get another sample of this. For some reason, I haven't like bought the full product because I think I usually get a lot of like under eye samples and stuff like that. So I don't tend to buy the big ones because I just have so many that I can use. But this one I quite like a lot. I would highly recommend this for anybody that's looking for something to smooth the under eyes. It's really nice, so I'm always happy to get this. Another thing that makes me happy in this bag. Alright, and then the last thing we got in the bag this month, it's from Briogeo. Don't Despair Repair Deep conditioning mask for your hair. So this month I didn't get a fragrance sample. I got a hair mask, which is okay. I'm really actually interested in this. I've heard a lot of good things about Briogeo. I've had a few products from Briogeo and I've given them away because in the past I've only just been using one in my hair, but I have started branching out and using different like shampoos and conditioners on occasion, you know, when in between like my washes. So I wash my hair about every 3 days, so every once in a while I'll grab like a sample that I have and try it. So I am really excited to give this a try and see what this actually does for the hair. So it says 6 free hair care, so that's good. It doesn't have a lot of preservatives in it, and it says after shampooing, massaging to dampen hair, and then you know you rinse out just like a regular conditioner. So I'll definitely add this to my conditioning routine when I use a regular soap instead of the one stuff, and I know a lot of people like this, so I'll definitely give this one a try. Alright guys, that was everything I got in my Sephora Play box this month. Let me know if you have any questions about anything that came in the box. If you want to know how they worked out for me, if you're interested in knowing, you know, anything about it, just put it down in the description below. Again, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. It does help me out a lot, and I shall talk to you guys either on Tuesday or Thursday, Wednesday, one of these days coming up next week. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.